It's time to fire this thing up. What you're looking at is a pontoon boat out on the water. Hey, well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. It's great to have you back aboard the boat. Today on Shipshape TV, what we're going to be dealing with are pontoon boat owners that are buying the craft for the very first time that want to keep the aluminum on the pontoon from oxidizing. We're going to be bringing on a product called shark hide, and we're going to show you how to protect it. Now, we're also going to be dealing with aluminum boat trailers on the program, as well as we have some great fiberglass tips coming up, especially in areas that you can't get to the underside of. We're going to show you some real tricks of the trade. In fact, here's kind of an overview of how exciting today's episode is going to be.